The journey of Earth's formation, seen through the lens of countless species, is a marvel within the vastness of the universe, an intriguing story. Have you ever wondered about the origins of Earth and how life came to be on this planet? This journey has spanned over 4.5 billion years, witnessing a series of unparalleled cosmic events. During these billions of years, Earth endured massive asteroid impacts, collisions with other planets, and multiple ice ages. Not to mention, it was dominated by all sorts of bizarre life forms. Sometimes, it feels like a miracle that our green homeworld still exists. But if we want to embark on a quick journey through our planet's history, we'll have to start from the very beginning, going back to the early days of the universe to uncover the origins of Earth and the life it harbors. The birth of the solar system. Over 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang gave birth to the universe as we know it. Initially, the universe was just a dense cloud of simple elements like hydrogen and helium. Over millions of years, these gas clouds contracted under the pull of gravity, forming stars and nebulae. Around 4.6 billion years ago, a massive cloud of gas and dust in the Milky Way collapsed, creating a protoplanetary disk. At the center, the largest concentration of matter collapsed and began nuclear fusion, giving rise to the Sun. Surrounding the Sun, smaller particles started to collide and merge. These clouds would become the seeds for the planets and moons of our solar system. As they gathered more material, they grew larger and more spherical. The bodies in the colder regions of the solar system were primarily made of ice, liquid, and gas. Earth, along with the other planets, was born from this cosmic debris. Early Earth. In the beginning, our Earth was a fiery sphere, where surface temperatures were so high that anything approaching would melt instantly. Picture a world covered by boiling seas of lava and an atmosphere thick with toxic gases, a place where no living creature could survive if they existed at that time. But don't be too quick to dismiss it as a hopeless world. Imagine, amidst the constant collisions with meteors, Earth was slowly being sculpted, absorbing material from the cosmos, laying the groundwork for what we know today. And one of the most spectacular events that we could never have anticipated was the collision between Earth and a Mars-sized planet, known as Theia. When Theia crashed into Earth, instead of obliterating it, the impact helped form the Moon from the vast amount of material ejected. The Moon isn't just Earth's loyal companion, it also plays a crucial role in stabilizing the planet's axis, creating ideal conditions for life to emerge later on. Amazing, isn't it? The first life appears. Around 3.8 billion years ago, Earth, a planet that was once just a molten sphere of fire, began to cool, leading to the formation of primordial oceans. This was not just a geological milestone, but also marked the beginning of a mysterious era, the dawn of life. Interestingly, life did not start with the grand scenes we might imagine, but perhaps from hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. There, minerals and high temperatures combined to create organic compounds, the building blocks of life. It wasn't the large creatures that emerged first, but tiny, single-celled organisms carrying immense potential. These organisms, though just the starting point, set off a chain of evolution spanning billions of years, leading to more complex species and, eventually, to us. Who would have thought that life could spring from such small beginnings, in the dark depths of the ocean? Stages of Earth's development. Around 3.8 billion years ago, the first single-celled organisms appeared in the primordial oceans as Earth cooled down after forming from a scorching protoplanetary disk. This marked a crucial milestone in the planet's history of life. Around 2.7 billion years ago, the first continents, known as cratons, began to form, leading to the emergence of the supercontinent Volbara, which was smaller than present-day Australia. Around 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria developed the ability to photosynthesize, producing oxygen and altering the atmosphere, which led to the first ice age. About 1 billion years ago, the supercontinent Rodinia formed, only to break apart later, giving rise to Pannotia around 750 million years ago. About 540 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion marked the development of complex organisms with shells and spines. About 440 million years ago, the Ordovician-Silurian extinction event wiped out most life but paved the way for continued evolution. About 350 million years ago, the first plants and animals began to inhabit land. About 250 million years ago, Pangaea, the largest supercontinent, formed but later underwent the Great Extinction, wiping out 90% of species. Dinosaurs appeared around 240 million years ago and dominated the Earth until an asteroid impact about 66 million years ago led to their extinction. About 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens evolved. Around 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, the direct ancestors of modern humans, began to evolve. They are the only species that have survived to this day, after all other human species went extinct. Homo sapiens developed tools, learned to control fire, and started building societies. Migration out of Africa. Homo sapiens began migrating out of Africa, spreading across continents, and adapting to various environments. Ice Age. During this period, the Earth went through multiple glacial cycles, where temperatures dropped and vast areas of land were covered in ice. Humans had to adapt to these harsh conditions in order to survive. 100,000 years ago, cultural development. Humans began crafting more sophisticated tools, building shelters, and forming complex social groups. Early art. The first cave paintings appeared, indicating the development of abstract thinking and human creativity. Present-day climate crisis. Today, Earth is facing a severe climate crisis. Humans are not only the main contributors to climate change, but also impact the planet in numerous other ways, leaving a profound mark on every aspect of the world. Environmental pollution is one of the most visible signs, with industrial waste and plastics suffocating our oceans and lands. However, even more alarming is the destruction of biodiversity. Precious ecosystems are rapidly declining, and many species are on the brink of extinction due to human development. Every action we take, whether it's urban expansion or the exploitation of natural resources, carries long-term consequences. Earth, on its journey of millions of years, is now facing its greatest challenge, brought on by its very own inhabitants. The planet has undergone countless transformations, and its story continues. Will we be the ones to protect and sustain life on this planet, or will we witness the collapse of the very civilization we have built? The future of Earth. The future of Earth is not only an intriguing, but also a mysterious topic, with countless scenarios being discussed and studied by scientists. Will our planet move towards a period of sustainable development, or will it face unavoidable challenges due to climate change, resource depletion, and population growth? Some predictions suggest that, with the continuous advancement of technology, humanity might find solutions to save this planet. However, other scenarios paint a darker picture, envisioning mass extinctions or even a future where Earth becomes a harsh, inhospitable planet no longer suitable for life. Additionally, recent research has opened up hopes of finding new homes beyond our solar system. But the question remains, will humanity have enough time to turn those interstellar dreams into reality? Perhaps Earth will still be the only safe place we can truly call home. The possibility of life beyond Earth. If life can thrive under extreme conditions, such as at the bottom of the ocean where there is no sunlight and immense pressure, could it also be flourishing on distant planets with entirely different climates? Space exploration is bringing us closer to finding the answer. But are we truly ready for the unimaginable discoveries that the universe might hold? Meanwhile, right here on our blue planet, climate change looms as an ever-growing threat. With modern technology at our disposal, can we reverse the damage we have caused? Protecting the environment is not just a responsibility. It's also an opportunity for humanity to develop innovative, groundbreaking solutions. The future of Earth may well be shaped by the actions we take today, but do we have the time and determination to make those actions count? One thing is certain, science and technology have opened the door to hope. But the question remains, will humanity seize this opportunity in the right way?